As we all know, the past few days are not going well. Sushant Singh Rajput is no more between us. May his soul find peace wherever he is. Disclaimerly, this video is all based on my opinion. This is not about blaming or guilty to anyone in any sector. This video is sincerely made for informational purpose only. First of all, this video is not dedicated to Sushant Singh Rajput. But on the basis of what's going on these days, Sushant Singh Rajput has been taken as an ideal for this video and the information forward. It's very difficult to start because there are so many of incidents where the self-born Bollywood stars are teased, whether publicly or in private. Without going too much into words, I would like to show you guys some clips.
मैं सच में मैं बोल नहीं पाता था पहले मेरे पास 2-3 दोस्त थे, वो भी बहुत मेरी तरह बोरिंग थे, लेकिन हमें एक दूसरे के साथ ही मज़ा आता था। और बाकी मैं अगर मैं किसी के साथ किसी से बोलना कुछ चाहूँ तो मैं बोल नहीं पाता था। So I was not very expressive in that sense.
Here, going into the words of Sushant briefly, he said that he was a kind of introvert. But in the same video, you guys can see his body language and confidence that clearly depicts that he was not a man of suicide. Now, here this clip is of IFA Watch 2090.
मिस्टर कायपोचे ऊपर आ जाओ हेलो हेलो।
फिर बोल क्या है, क्या नाम हम क्या इसका?
ये सुशांत सिंह राजपूत है।
अबे नाम है कि पूरा एड्रेस है?
सर सुशी कह दीजिए, शॉर्ट फॉर्म है।
एक्चुअली यहाँ सुश भी है, शांत भी है, ये क्या बातचीत करेगा?
लोग कहते हैं कि ऑलराउंडर है और एक्टिंग के साथ साथ सुना है थोड़ा डांस वांस भी अच्छा कर लेता है, ऐसा लोग कहते हैं।
You can clearly see the change of body language and that feel of hesitation while standing between the King Khan and a star kid. Yes, these are the star kids because we are in an era where the star kids like Varun Dhawan, Ananya Pandey, Sara Ali Khan and a kid Taimur and many others are overrated. And self-born celebrities like Sushant Singh Rajput, Ali Faisal, Pankaj Tripathi, Abhishek Banerjee, Vicky Kaushal, Kangana Ranaut, Ayushmann Khurrana, Manoj Bajpayee, Taapsee Pannu, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Kalki Koechlin, Rajkumar Rao and so many are truly underrated. And I, being so confident, is saying that many of you have an image of underrated celebrity if he or she doesn't have Khan or Kapoor as their surname, and that's the bitter reality of our thinking. Sushant Singh Rajput was an IIT rank holder of All India Rank 7 in 2003 and after that he persuaded in Delhi Technical University, but then in the third year he dropped out for establishing his career in acting. Now, most of the students still have dream of getting into the Delhi Technical University, but this rank holder dropped from the university for acting. For this guy, we can understand that what importance he had for his passion. But what were the reasons? What was the pressure under the mind of a rank holder of one of the toughest entrance examinations of the world? What he was going through so that he took this step of committing suicide? Or if this was a planned murder? Now, I'd want you all to hear the words of Kangana Ranaut.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की मौत ने हम सबको झंझोड़ के रख दिया है, मगर कुछ लोग जो इस चीज़ में माहिर हैं कि कैसे पैरेलल नैरेटिव चलाना है, वो इस तरह से चला रहे हैं कि हाँ, जिनका दिमाग कमज़ोर होता है वो ये डिप्रेशन में आते हैं और सुसाइड वगैरह कमिट करते हैं। जो बंदे ने स्टैनफोर्ड की स्कॉलरशिप, वो रैंक होल्डर है इन हिज एंट्रेंस फॉर इंजीनियरिंग, उसका दिमाग कमज़ोर कैसे हो सकता है? अगर आप देखें उनके कुछ लास्ट पोस्ट, वो क्लियरली कह रहे हैं कि लोगों को बैक कर रहे हैं कि प्लीज़ मेरी फिल्म में देखो, मेरा कोई गॉड फादर नहीं है, मुझे निकाल दिया जाएगा इस इंडस्ट्री से। अपने इंटरव्यू में वो जाहिर कर रहे हैं कि मुझे क्यों नहीं ये इंडस्ट्री अपनाती है, आई फील लाइक अ लेफ्ट ओवर। तो क्या इसमें इस हादसे की कोई बुनियाद नहीं है? किस तरह से अगर किसी और स्टार किड ने इस तरह से 6-7 के साल के स्पैन में काय पोचे जैसे उनको कोई डेब्यू की कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट, कोई अवार्ड नहीं मिला, या केदारनाथ या धोनी या छिछोरे जैसी फिल्म, एक गली बॉय जैसी एक वाहियात फिल्म को सारे अवार्ड मिलते, छिछोरे इज द बेस्ट फिल्म एंड द बेस्ट डायरेक्टर, उनकी फिल्म को कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं। हमें आपसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हमें आपकी फिल्में नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन जो हम खुद करते हैं आप हमारे एक्नॉलेजमेंट क्यों नहीं हमें देते हैं? मुझे इनकी फिल्में, मैं जो खुद फिल्में डायरेक्ट करती हूँ, उनको सुपरहिट फिल्मों को ये फ्लॉप घोषित करते हैं। मुझ पे 6 केसेस क्यों डाले गए? क्यों मुझे जेल में डालने की कोशिश की गई? और मुझे इनके जो चमचे जर्नलिस्ट हैं, वो सुशांत जैसे लोगों पे जो ब्लाइंड आइटम्स लिखते हैं कि वो साइकोटिक है, न्यूरोटिक है, एडिक्ट है। संजय दत्त की एडिक्शन तो आपको बहुत क्यूट लगती है। वो लोग मुझे मैसेज करते हैं कि तुम्हारा बहुत डिफिकल्ट टाइम है, तुम ऐसा वैसा स्टेप मत उठा लेना। ऐसा क्यों कहते हैं मुझे? ये क्यों मेरे दिमाग में डालना चाहते हैं कि आप सुसाइड कर लीजिए? तो ये सुसाइड थी कि ये प्लान मर्डर था? लेकिन सुशांत की गलती यही है कि वो उनकी बात मान गया। उन्होंने कहा तुम वर्थलेस हो, वो मान गया। उसने he didn't remember what his mother told him. उन्होंने कहा कि तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होगा, वो मान गया. वो चाहते ही ये है कि वो इतिहास लिखे और ये लिखे कि सुशांत कमजोर दिमाग का था. वो ये नहीं बताएंगे कि क्या सच्चाई क्या है. तो हमें ये डिसाइड करना है कि who will write the history. We will decide that.
Going on the words of Kangana Ranaut, we can clearly assume that how does the Bollywood industry accepts a self-born star? Well, here's a clip of one of the interviews of Sushant of MS Dhoni.
Because other than that, I'm very boring. Because I'll tell you very, very honestly, I just have 2 friends, and so I have 3 friends now, thankfully. But I just cannot make friends. Not because I don't like people. I really like them, but they don't find my conversations very interesting. And so the first time they'll pretend to be liking me, but then they don't take my calls.
And here are some of his replies to his fans on Instagram on the release of one of his movies. भाई यार 12th के बोर्ड्स भी हैं. अरे यार एक पिक्चर में कुछ नहीं जाएगा, देख ले यार. Oh no, you are dying in this movie too. I'm not going to watch it. That's the last I would want to see on the big screen. You have the biggest hurt in this industry. People like you should always live long. Arey, but if you don't watch it, then they would throw me out of Bollywood. I have no godfather. I have made you all my gods and fathers. Watch it at least if you wish I do survive in Bollywood. Much love and regards. In Filmfare 2020, 80% of the awards were given to Gully Boy, whereas in the nomination there were films like Uri the Surgical Strike by Vicky Kaushal, Chichore by Sushant Singh Rajput, and Mission Mangal of Akshay Kumar. Just because the other films were by some self-born stars, without a godfather like Alia Bhatt, starring in Gully Boy. Also, instead of Chichore, Gully Boy got 13 Filmfare Awards, 12 Screen Awards, 9 Zee Cinema Awards, and was nominated for Oscars, whereas Chichore stands with no single award at all. Now, Kareena Kapoor, mother of star kids, stands in the lobby.
Don't date your first hero.
That's where you guys get this in your head. That's how the big, great stars of Bollywood treat the self-borns. This is where the nepotism dives in. Let's just take a look at the Kapoor family in Bollywood. Prithvi Raj Kapoor, Trilok Kapoor, Surender Kapoor, Raj Kapoor, Shammi Kapoor, Shashi Kapoor, Bonnie Kapoor, Anil Kapoor, Randhir Kapoor, Rishi Kapoor, Rajiv Kapoor, Aditya Raj Kapoor, Kunal Kapoor, Karan Kapoor, Sanjana Kapoor, Arjun Kapoor, Janvi Kapoor, Sonam Kapoor, Riha Kapoor, Harshvardhan Kapoor, Mohit Marwaha Kapoor, Krishma Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, Samaira Kapoor, Kian Raj Kapoor, Taimur Ali Khan Kapoor. These all are the actors and some not even grown-up children already accepted by the industry well. If this is not nepotism, then what else is? At last, I being a teen have guts to just boycott the films of Star Kid to just promote the self-born actors and small producers. But my question to you is that, do you have guts to boycott the Star Kids? Do you have guts to not buy the next ticket of a Star Kid movie? Do you have guts to boycott Dharma production? Do you have guts to not tune into the crowd for the latest Star Kid movie? Do you have guts to stand with what's right? The answer is within you. It's all upon you guys. It's your decision to give Star Kids a nepotism boost or to let self-born stars rise in the industry. At last, I would only like to say kindly share this video as much as possible just for informatory purpose, to just let everyone know what's happening behind the camera. Peace out.